Okay, so here we have as you can see, a Bolex S1 zoom reflux automatic. It's a heavy old camera. There it is. It comes in this huge case, which is quite nice. Nice locks, good inside on it. So that's the case. It's got a few little kind of reels, Swiss, these are original, and it's got a film there, but that's obviously going to be ruined, I think. It's got this, which I suppose fits on the end there somehow, and that fits also in there, and it has the manual. So when I press this trigger, you should hear it turning. So something is going on there, but as I say, it may have a film in, I don't know. So I don't open them up because there might be a film in there and someone might want to have a look at it or get it processed. But anyway, there it is. It is the Bolex S1 Zoom Reflux Automatic, and they're made in Switzerland.